In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple steps to guide you in shopping on Myntra, a popular online fashion and lifestyle e-commerce platform. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or someone trying it for the first time, these instructions will help make your shopping experience easy and enjoyable. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Myntra website. You can do this by typing the address www.myntra.com directly into the URL bar and hitting enter. Once on the home page, you'll find yourself amidst a wide array of fashion pieces and lifestyle products. Browsing through this vast collection can be both exciting and overwhelming, so it's a good idea to have a clear idea of what you're looking for, whether it's a new pair of shoes, a trendy shirt, or perhaps a chic handbag. Next, as you continue to browse and select items you like, you might want to keep track of them. This is where the bag feature comes in handy. You can easily do this by clicking on the bag icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. This step is crucial as it saves the items you're interested in, allowing you to review them later before making a purchase. It essentially serves as your wish list for the session and can save you a lot of time compared to searching for each item once more. While adding items to your bag, try to consider factors such as size, color preferences, and reviews, as these details can significantly impact your shopping satisfaction. Now, as you manage your selections, you might decide to buy some items right away and save others for later. This flexibility is one of the conveniences provided by the online shopping experience on Myntra. Once you're satisfied with your choices, head back to your bag by clicking on the icon again. Here you can review your collected items, adjust quantities if necessary, or remove products you've had second thoughts about. Ensure everything you want is selected before proceeding to the checkout. Myntra offers various payment options including credit card, debit card, and net banking. Sometimes you might find additional discounts available through certain payment methods or using specific coupon codes, so be sure not to overlook those details. Remember that with Myntra, you're not just limited to purchases. Keep an eye out for their return policy, which can be handy if something doesn't fit quite right or isn't as expected. It's important to stay informed about these options to enhance your shopping experience and make sure it remains hassle-free. With this guide, the intention is to make each Myntra shopping journey smooth, efficient, and ultimately satisfying. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.